Tucked away into the most convenient of spots, right off of Route 128, is where your next dream home can be built. Bring your vision and ideas to 342 Bedford Street in Lexington, Massachusetts, an extremely private hidden gem. This property includes 3.5 acres of land and lots of greenery. Most recently, it's been used as a horse farm, featuring a beautiful 4-stall barn completed by a washroom with hot water, plus a loft above and a 2-car garage below, in addition to an outdoor riding arena. The other structure on the property is a 2-family farmhouse circa 1780 that has seen expansions over the years and has a beautiful koi pond on the side. A serene oasis awaits at the rear of the property with an abutting stream and easement path that provides easy access to the Minuteman Bikeway. This location cannot be beat, accessible to public transportation via the MBTA bus stop at the top of the driveway, and extremely convenient to I-95, I-93, and Route 2. Moments away is Hanscom Air Force Base, where you'll also find private jet service and newly added commercial flights to Nantucket. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.